And the town of Shelby Fire Department is better able to respond to emergencies thanks to a new fire engine. It's the first new truck in the past 10 years. Firefighters drove the new truck home from South Dakota earlier this week, and they gave News 19's Marcus Arsvold a look at the new truck and its updated life-saving equipment. Marcus?
Yeah, Shelby's new fire truck has brighter lights that'll protect firefighters while the truck is parked and they're busy putting out flames. Additionally, it includes their first ever fire-specific siren. It's also got more space for firefighters to put on their equipment, as well as important new technology that automatically monitors water flow from the source to the firefighter's hose, which makes it easier for them to focus on saving lives.
If the engineer has to step away for another task, this truck will maintain its flow of water, which will help our firefighters that are inside a structure not having to worry about losing water on their hose.
Captain Prush also gave a big thank you to the Shelby community for helping finance the new truck. It costs about $650,000 to buy. In a few weeks, they'll finish all of the services and training so they can use it in the field.
Thanks, Marcus. The new truck also has video screens inside, so those driving can monitor their blind side and ensure safety while speeding to a fire.